No, you are welcome. Today we're going to learn punctuation marks. Punctuation marks in Igbo language. Akara, Edemede. Today we are going to learn punctuation marks in Igbo language. It's called Akara, Edemede. Akara, Edemede. Eji m n'aka na ị na-aghọta ihe m na-ekwu. Onye nkụzi Igbo abịago n'ụbọchị taa. Learn Igbo language with Adigbo. You will not regret it. Here is Igbo language simplified. You will learn with ease. Okay? Alright, let's go straight to the business of the day. Akara, edemede, punctuation marks. Akara, edemede, punctuation marks. In our previous videos, I taught you that there are so many Igbo words that are spelled alike, pronounced alike, and sounds alike. And they are being differentiated by this pronunciation marks. So it is a very, very important topic in Igbo language so that you can be able to differentiate certain words that are spelled alike by these punctuation marks. Akara, edemede, akara, edemede. Okay, the first I'm going to teach you today is full stop. Full stop. Bum. Full stop. Bum. That is how it is in Igbo language. Then semicolon. Semicolon. That is bum ricum. Bum ricum. Okay? Then column. Bum bum. Column. Bum bum. Column. Bum bum. I hope you're understanding it. Okay. Then quotation mark. Quotation mark. Akara ngwu. Quotation mark. Akara ngwu. I hope it's clear. Please use the comment section if you have any question. I will answer you correctly. Okay? All right. Then exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Akara mkpu. Akara mkpu. Like you say, what? Akara mkpu. Exclamation mark. All right. Question mark. Question mark. Akara ajụjụ. Question mark. Akara ajụjụ. Like you want to ask a question, where have you been? Where are you going? Akara ajụjụ. Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Itinye akara ajụjụ. Okay? I hope it's flowing. All right. Then hyphen. Hyphen. Akara uhie. Hyphen. Akara uhie. Then bracket. Bracket. Akara ngudo. Bracket. Akara ngudo. As you want to, bracket a word. Akara ngudo. Like I told you, you have to learn this because it will help you to differentiate those words that are spelled alike. Once you make these marks on them, it helps to clear which word you want to use. Like aqua, cry, aqua, clothes, aqua, bed. They are spelled alike, pronounced alike, but the difference in it is this marks. So please take your time and learn these marks. It is very, very important. Ask me a question in the comment section and I will answer you. Remember, it's your Igbo teacher. Keep watching, share this message. Let's learn Igbo language together. Ị bụrụ nwata Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Igbo amaka, gị onye ọma njem ọnụ. Ya mere anyị ji amụ asụsụ Igbo. Ndewo n'ụbọchị taa. Thank you. For now, bye. Ka emesịa.